Hi, fans. I've got something a little bit different this time. This is the Arvok 32-in-1 Multifunctional Cleaning Kit. And this is for cleaning ports on your computer, on your phone, on your tablet, on, a lot of different small things mostly. So I'm going to try to show you them all. It's kind of a cool container because on one side, if you need a big brush, you can just pull it out, stick the bristles up, and then you can brush whatever you need to brush. um, Otherwise, and it's got there's some magnetism going on here. See, it's a magic trick. See, and then to open it, the rest of it, that is, you push, and then this comes out. And the most important part is to get the handle out, which is a little bit obscure, but you push on these buttons and it pops out the other end. So then you can take your tool of your choice and plug it into there so you have much better control and you're not likely to drop it, which is wonderful. And there's all kinds of stuff in here. Oh no, and one of them just fell. Yeah, that's one of the downsides. Now, if everything just falls out someday, by each of these, there is a little icon to show you. It's kind of hard to, I don't know if that's going to show up on your screen or not. It's not really showing up on mine, but each of these has a little icon embedded into the plastic. And if you need to get something out of here, instead of struggling to get it out, just use this. It'll pop back into place. And then you can grab what you need. So maybe you need to have this flexible thing here. And these are all like designed for different functions. Some of them are for cleaning out your USB ports. And I'll try to go through them with you. I did forget to mention this is model Q32. So on this side, including the brush, that's for cleaning a keyboard and other larger things, obviously. And then we also have some of these other tools here. There's a tweezers that you can use. There's even a release pin for like getting your SIM card out or something like that. And there's this keycap remover. Is it the right size? That's for really small keys. I don't think that's going to be particularly useful for a lot of people, but. And then there's also this metal keycap puller, which is also very kind of small. So keep that in mind. Although, it is flexible metal, so that's good. And then on this side, oh no, not that side, this side. On this side, we have got earphone cleaning tools over here. And then we got some camera cleaning tools and let's see what else. Data cable cleaning. What else? And it actually goes through the whole thing. You know what I'm going to do is I'm going to just photograph all of these and I'll put it up on the screen right now. So as you can see, there are lots of things that you can clean, and I've already used it. My son's already used it. It's pretty helpful, and it's surprising. You'd think, well, why do I really need this? And you might discover that you'll really like it. I do. I mean, we don't use it all the time, but when we need it, we have it. And that's definitely better than trying to do things carefully with tools that are not really meant for what you're trying to clean. So you might want to give it a thought. I think $17 is about what you'll pay for it, I think. I don't know if you feel if that's reasonable or not. Let me know in the comments what you think about that price for that many different kinds of tools to help you do all kinds of different cleaning. That would be helpful. But like if you need to, say, clean your USB port, USB-C, you can use that one. Or maybe you need to scrub. You got a little scrub brush. And, oh, I forgot. You don't actually just use that. You can also use, there's a stylus that it comes with, which I think, it's a little bit over the top there, but whatever. And I'm trying to get this other one out. There we go. And this is some cleaning fluid that you can use. And for some reason, there are 2 caps on it. Oh, wait, no, that's not 2 caps. There's 1 cap. My bad. And maybe you need to clean a tube or something. There's so many different things that you can do. Like with this. And we've got these foam covered ones like that. And there's even this one that reminds me of a quill pen. It's got this little rubber. No, that's not rubber. That's bristles. I'm not really sure what to make of that. I'm sure there's a reason for it, but yeah, you can see from the list. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
I need to ask for your help. Things have been challenging. Whose life hasn't been challenging lately? So if you can please help me out by liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and turning on notifications, that would be really, really super. Also, if you'd like to help me financially and you can't afford to, you can do a super thanks on my Glenn's Fast Reviews channel, or you can become a member there. Or if you prefer, you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there instead. Also, I'd like to give a shout out to Bleeping Computer for their support of my channel. If you need resources for computers, for getting rid of malware and learning about cybersecurity and stuff, Bleeping Computer, BLEEPING computer.com is a great resource. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.